Exercise Wealth is all about maintaining a healthy lifestyle while on the path to obtaining wealth in order to sustain a wealthy lifestyle. Yoga exercises for weight loss for beginners is a great representation of Exercise Wealth. Yoga means to unite or join, and Exercise Wealth is all about uniting a healthy lifestyle through exercise and meditation, with a wealthy lifestyle through financial literacy. The financial literacy courses and webinars that Exercise Wealth endorse will help you accelerate along the path of achieving financial freedom. The yoga instructional videos as well as the dietary supplements we endorse will help you lose weight and stay healthy from the comfort of your own home. So many people spend their health, gaining wealth, and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. Why not do both simultaneously? Maintain your health by exercising, doing yoga and meditating. Educate yourself financially by reading, completing courses and attending webinars. Then execute the knowledge you've learned to obtain wealth. Click on the links below to begin your journey of exercising wealth. Health is wealth.